Alright guys, so back again today. Got another product. This is the SAKER 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner here. And this is a little handheld vacuum and it looks pretty nice. So always like good boxes and good artwork. But this thing's kind of neat. It's a very powerful little vacuum cleaner. It's got a nice little case to keep it in. Set that off the side. Pull down, unwrap it here. So there we go. So this is the filter in here, and we've got a mesh metal filter, and then we've got the fabric filter in here. If I can, there we go. Pretty tight. So there's the other filter in there. Got a couple different ones, and these are HEPA filters, which is awesome. So the fine steel one here is completely washable, reusable. So that is pretty awesome. And we've got main piece here, a USB-C charger, which is super nice. So you've got the charger cable in here, which is pretty common now, the USB-C. Almost everything is going that way, which I like a lot. So that's a really nice way to do that. So we've got main piece there, and then we've got all of these goodies. So you've got your nozzle here, you got a brush, you got 2 brushes, and then you've got some other blower attachments and things like that. So yeah, we got all kinds of goodies in here. There's another one. So I'm really curious to see how this does at picking up dirt and things like that. That's pretty cool. So starting it, you're gonna press the button, you're gonna hold down for 3 seconds. And it kicks up, man. You see how much air is coming off of here just from blowing my shirt around. Nice. Got a couple different attachments here. Do a longer one. I think this is gonna be nice, just doing different pieces, be able to get down in those nooks and crannies, and there's some brushes on there. So what's also cool though, you press it again, and you go to a really high suction. Now it's really doing good. And then we'll turn it off. So pretty neat. Here's what's also cool though, is you can do this too. Pop that sign off, take this side, and push that in there, turn around. Now you've got a blower. That's awesome, look at that. And that's not even on high. Here's high. Now it's on high. It's really, really blowing good. Woo. Nice. Cool. So now we've got a couple blower ones here. So you've got your suction pulling in and blowing out. So you can blow up big inflatables, whatever you've got, big pool stuff. And you've got this one here, so you can blow up smaller little balloons and stuff like that, and beach balls and whatnot. But if you want to use it as a vacuum pump to do those vacuum sealable bags and things like that, you can take this in and it actually snaps into this. And you don't want to suck up any trash in here, but you can vacuum down one of those vacuum bags, which is kind of cool. And then you got a couple different things here, and if it's a smaller one, you can actually vacuum it down that way too. But you don't want to suck any trash up in here. But this is pretty neat with the blower tip. So then you've got another duster on here. So you can be down inside of a keyboard and dusting little areas out and stuff like that. And then you've got a couple other things here. You got the big, like I said, the big blower tip here, a small fine blower that fits in here. We'll see what that does. And it's screaming now. Pretty cool. Yeah, this side goes in and you got a nice little vacuum pump, which will have tons of suction. Oh, it's an amazing amount of wind that comes off this thing too. That is cool. Got a few different things here. Lots of neat things. So you've got a vacuum pump, and then you've got an actual blower on this side too. And it seems to work really good. So let's go try it out on a car. All right, guys, so we got our Fox body out here, and it's getting a little crummy inside. It's actually got a pretty nice interior, but we'll go ahead and vacuum it up and see how this thing works. So start checking it out. You know, a couple different tips here. Take it on up to high suction over there. Oh yeah. All kinds of stuff. You got a couple different tips. Let's try that. I can feel the suction change on there. Feels like it's getting pretty deep down in there. Carpet's already looking better just from running this across it. We've got some smaller ones here with brushes on there. Let's go back to this one. A little brush on here. Scrub down on some of this stuff. Break some of the stuff loose. Oh yeah. Now we'll see what we caught here. So take it over here. And dump it out. So there's that part. There's our filter. Wow, look at all this. That's a bunch of junk right there. So definitely got some stuff. A lot of really, really fine dust in there too. That the HEPA filter stopped. Look at that. It's all stuff that was deep down in that carpet. And then look at all that dust falling out from under it. See it? See that? Man, that's crazy dusty. Just from the small amount of time we ran it in there. That is pretty good. All right, guys, so now we're gonna try the sucking up and blowing out. So got the filter off, so we're gonna put that in place. So now it's vacuuming down. We've got some air in it here. We're gonna try to bring it down. Bring that in there. Turn it on. So it'll definitely blow it down, or pull it down rather. So now we're gonna blow it up, flip it to the other side, see if we can tighten her up a bit. And that worked perfect for that. That's awesome. Nice and tight now. So pretty cool. And then you've got the larger end you can put on here to do those vacuum bags, or one of the floats that's got the bigger one, or a blow up mattress. You can blow those up and suck them down too. Either side with the bigger nozzles, that's pretty cool too. So that works really good. So, but this is the SAKER 3-in-1 vacuum. So pretty cool. We'll have links down in the description. Check it out. So we appreciate them for sending this to us and letting us check it out. Another SAKER product, which the cordless buffer was awesome. This is pretty cool. So check it out.